Hello folks, this is Steve AV4L. Guess what I'm going to do? Saturday, I did some weed trimming. Oh, the guy ahead of me in the Jeep is going the same place. Doesn't look like it's too crowded, so should be easy in, easy out. Maybe. Let's see. Traffic jam. Easy in, easy out. Betcha. Okay, so that guy's going in. Now there are a bunch of people in there eating in. Ah, look at this. It's a long line. Yeah, right. People are away at the shore. Something like that.
Hi, this is Chick-fil-A. Can I have an empty order?
Alright, my name is Steve and I'm hungry.
Sorry, one more time?
Steve,
Steve? Alright. What can I get for you today?
I'd like a #1 deluxe meal
Okay.
with Colby.
No, we don't have lettuce right now. Is that okay?
Yes, that's alright.
Alright.
With Colby Jack.
Colby Jack? Alright. What would you like to drink, Mr. Steven?
I'd like a Coke Zero with no ice, please.
Coke Zero with no ice?
Yes.
Okay, anything else for you today?
That's it, thank you.
Alright, do you want any sausage?
No sausage.
Alright, it's going to be 10:05. Do you have lunch one?
Thank you.
My pleasure.
She said 10:05. So they're not giving me any lettuce because they don't have any, so I guess they reduced the price. Is it a little cheaper because there's no lettuce? Yeah, I understand. That's all right, I don't want that diarrhea. They claim it's from lettuce, who knows? Are you sure you got it? Tell them I want hot waffle fries. Hot waffle fries. It smells good. That's why I come here. They're so good, it's incredible. Just talking nonsense. Having fun. So, the last time I was here, they had a new price for the meal I regularly get. It went from $9.90 up to $10.26, but this is $10.05. So that's but they're not giving me any lettuce on it, so they reduced the price. I think that's honest. It's straightforward. I like that. Yeah, and I mean that. And the big owner has always had the rule, the workers don't come in on Sunday. That's family day and other things. Okay, I'm in line, I'm running my mouth, I'm hungry. I've got videos being rendered at home. They're long ones, it's a long one. So I figured, let's go get something good to eat for a change. I weed whacked some of my lawn today. I don't have a lawnmower yet. Alright. It looks like it's moving right along. Is that with hot waffle fries? Is the receipt in there? Yes, I need a straw. Yes, I can see it. Thank you. I always ask about the receipt. And I got the drink without the ice. And it's spilling on me a little bit, but that's okay. These are not my cleanest clothes. Oh, see, she's not even paying attention. Just walk across there, it doesn't matter. I'm trying not to run your toes over it. I don't want to run your toes over it. She laughed at it. Oh, look at that. There was a police car and then suddenly it's doing something. I wonder if I think they saw somebody and they went. You never know what's going to happen here. This is the excitement center of the world, the heart of the Piedmont, Ashburn. Business 64. I already had a sip of my, no, hang on, I gotta, I see the receipt. No, I'm having a waffle fry. I love them. Chick-fil-A waffle fries. There's something about the way they do it. Okay, I'm headed home. I have the waffle fries on the way home, and then I have the sandwich at home. Steve AB4L, just being crazy, having fun, saying see you at 73.